Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Harbour and this is the Harbour roundabout. Now this area has grown over time and because of how busy it is and how important it is, do you guys think it's time to build an overpass here and remove the roundabout? Now, if you look to the right, that's the Palisades Strip, takes you to the airport, the only road to take you to the airport. If you go straight across, takes you to the Southern Coastal Highway, which is a major highway that recently opened to take you from Kingston to St. Thomas. Turn left, you go into Harbour, which is one of the largest communities in Jamaica. So this is a very busy roundabout. So I'm thinking, or guys, what do you think? Do you think it's time they build an overpass here? You could have the top lane to go to St. Thomas, like a double overpass, like what's at 3 miles. The lower lane to take you to the airport, and the left lane you could stay on the ground and go towards Harbour. Now, the Palisades Strip is the only road that takes you to the airport. The only road. So can you imagine if something should happen and this roundabout becomes impassable? You wouldn't be able to get to the airport. Same thing for... There you can see a better shot of it. Same thing for St. Thomas. This is the only road that takes you out. The main road, I should say, that takes you out. And there's a lot of activity taking place in Harbour because of the opening of the highway. You have, for example, the plaza. You have a lot of renovation taking place there. KFC, Burger King, very busy plaza. And then they're renovating the Shoppers Fair supermarket over there. As a matter of fact, Harbour is one of the only places in Jamaica where you find two gas stations of the same brand literally beside each other. That's how busy it is. Two total gas stations are right beside each other out here. And to the right you have the dry dock, the repair yard for the ships, and a lot of expansion is taking place over there. Not to mention, Palisades Strip might soon become a 4-lane road because there is the dry dock where you can lift the ships out of the ground and service them. The government is spending billions of dollars to renovate Port Royal, and they plan to upgrade the road from the roundabout to Port Royal. And there's also plans to expand the airport runway, and they are actively trying to get more planes or more passengers to use the airport. So a lot is happening out here. So maybe it's time that they put in an overpass for the Harbour roundabout. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. And that's the highway, that's the beginning. Well, the highway actually starts at the bridge, which is around the corner. But that's the road that takes you to the highway. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.